Hello all, Pratibha Collection is back again with a new video, with a new sets of collection today. Today again we are going to show you some beautiful sarees, beautiful Katha sarees, hand stitched wax Katha sarees. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel. It's Pratibha Collection. As you subscribe our channel, you will get the notification as our videos will be posted. You can also follow us on Facebook. It's Pratibha Collection. You can also check our more collections in our website. It's www.pratibhacollections.com. All the booking numbers will be given through the video. Anyone likes any sarees, they can ping any of the WhatsApp number or can directly call to us for any queries and information. So today we are going to show you some beautiful Bangalore silk sarees, Katha sarees, wax done in it. So this is the first saree of the day. The saree which I am draping, it's a beautiful blue color saree. It's a hand stitched Katha saree with a beautiful wax created in the center of the saree, and beautiful hand Katha work is going through the borders. This is a beautiful Patli Pallu saree. You can see the beautiful Katha work in the pleats. This is the beautiful hand Katha work, and you can also see the Katha work in this pallu. You are going to get a beautiful contrast blouse piece, a black color blouse piece with the saree, and also you will get a stitched work, a hand stitched work on the sleeves of the blouse. So this is the first saree. As you can see, the beautiful blue color, beautiful wax created from the center of the saree. I am going to come closer to show you the wax art done in this saree. This is a beautiful wax art in the center of the saree, and this is the beautiful Katha work, hand Katha work in the borders of the saree and in the pallu. This is the beautiful pallu of the saree, a beautiful black color pallu with a white stitch work, white hand stitch Katha work. This is the hand stitch Katha work. You can see, you can check, and you can get to understand more better. So this is the first saree. Anyone liking any sarees can send the screenshot to the given booking numbers going through the video. Now we are going to move to the second saree of the day. Again, we are going to show you a beautiful Bangalore silk saree. All the sarees which we are going to show you today is silk mark sarees. All these are pure Bangalore silk sarees where this beautiful hand Katha work is done. This is the second saree. This is the saree number 2, second saree of the day. A beautiful off-white color saree with a beautiful yellow color wax created in the center of the saree, and the borders having this beautiful hand stitched Katha work done with a black and white color thread. This is the full look of the saree. Now I am going to drape the saree and show you the draped look, how is it looks. This is the draped look of the saree. Beautiful wax created in the center of the saree again, and you are going to get this beautiful Katha work also in the lower half of the saree. The lower half is going to have this kind of beautiful temple work, a beautiful temple work with this hand Katha work in the color of black and white. This is the beautiful pallu. This is the beautiful pallu of the saree. And now I am going to show you the blouse piece. This is the beautiful blouse piece of the saree. Beautiful contrast blouse piece with this beautiful hand Katha work in it. This will come in your sleeves. This beautiful work will come in your sleeves. Now moving to the price of this sarees. The price of the saree is 6,200 free shipping. Free shipping. 6,200 free shipping. COD is available, but COD is chargeable. If you are going to pay through the full payment of the sari, then the shipping will be free, and if you want COD, then you have to pay a COD charge. Now moving to the third sari. The third sari would be again a beautiful color. A beautiful color, the combination of, again, beautiful. This is the third sari. Beautiful combination of sandalwood color and red. The base color is sandalwood color. A light cream, light of, we can't call it light white, but this is a beautiful sandalwood color with red. The center of the sari is again having this beautiful wax batik work. Beautiful wax created in the center of the sari, and the borders are going to come through this beautiful red with beautiful white stitch work. This is the look of the sari, and this comes the pallu. A beautiful red color pallu with this white stitch work. This is a beautiful red color pallu with this hand stitch work. Let me show you the draped look. Here comes the draped look of the sari. This is the draped look of the sari. And now we are going to show you the blouse piece. This is the beautiful contrast blouse piece, again with a beautiful hand stitch katha work which will come on your sleeves. This is a beautiful stitch work which will come on your sleeves. Price again 6,200 free shipping. 6,200 free shipping. COD is available, but COD is chargeable. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. It's Pratibha Collection. Now we are going to move to the fourth sari. This is the fourth sari. A beautiful olive green sari with this beautiful hand work of katha. In the thread colors are beautiful yellow and white. Beautiful olive green color sari. Wax created in the color of black. Borders are going to come through black. This is the upper half of the sari, which you are going to get a thin border with this beautiful katha work, and the lower part of the body you are going to get this beautiful broad katha work. This will be your lower half. This comes the pallu, a beautiful black color pallu with a beautiful thread work of yellow and white. Let me show you the draped look. All are silk mark certified sarees. These are pure Bangalore silk sarees in which katha work is done. All are silk mark sarees. This is the draped look of the sari. Let me come closer to show you the beautiful katha work. These are all hand katha work. The beautiful work done in the lower half of the sari. All are hand stitched. All are hand stitched saris. See the look at the pallu. This is a beautiful pallu with this beautiful hand work done in it. I am showing you the back side so that you can understand that it's totally hand work. It's a hand work katha stitch sari. Now moving to the blouse piece. This is the contrast blouse piece of the sari. This is the contrast blouse piece. Again you are going to get this beautiful work in the sleeves. Beautiful hand stitched katha work in the sleeves. This is the full look of the sari. Once again, price again 6,200 free shipping. 6,200 free shipping, but COD is chargeable. COD, we are providing COD. We provide shipments all worldwide. Now moving to the fifth sari. This is the fifth sari. A beautiful off-white color sari with the wax created in the color of maroon and yellow, and the borders are coming in the color of maroon with the work done in white thread. Let me come closer to show you the beautiful wax created in the center. This is the beautiful work in the center of the sari, and you are going to get this beautiful handwork katha in the lower half of the sari and also in the upper half with a thin border. This is again a hand katha work. Let me move back to show you the full look of the sari. Here comes the full look. I am draping this sari to show you the full look. This is the full look of the sari. This is the full look. This is the beautiful pallu. Beautiful pallu in the color of maroon with a stitched work of white color. With a stitched work of white color. Now I'm going to show you the blouse piece. Again, the blouse piece comes in a contrast maroon color with this beautiful hand katha work in the sleeves. Beautiful hand katha work in the sleeves. Here comes your sleeves. Anyone liking any sari can take a screenshot and send us to the given numbers. Moving to the 6th sari. Send the screenshot to our given numbers. We are going to take all your bookings, all your queries. You can call us for any queries, any further extra details. If you want any original pictures, we can provide you everything as per your choice. Moving to the 6th sari. This is the 6th sari of the day. A beautiful, beautiful black and white combination. A choice of every age. A beautiful black and white combo. Again, a beautiful wax created. The base of the sari is in color of white and the wax created in the black color. Let me come forward to show you the beautiful work first, then I'm going to show you the full look of the sari. This is the beautiful work in the lower half of the sari. Here comes the work which you're going to get in the lower half of the sari. All are hand stitch katha work. All are hand stitch katha work. And here comes the work again in the upper half of the sari. This is the upper half. With a thin border you are going to get hand stitch katha work, and this would be your lower half. Now let me show you, move back and let me show you the full look of the sari. This is the pallu. This is the pallu. Beautiful black color pallu with a katha work of yellow, white, black. This is the beautiful work. This is the full pallu of the sari. And now I'm going to show you the drape look. You will get a beautiful temple weave in the lower half of the sari. In the lower half of the sari is having this beautiful temple design with a beautiful hand katha work, and this would be your drape look. All are silk mark saris. All are silk mark saris, pure Bangalore silk katha stitch. Here comes this drape look of the sari. This would be your drape look. The full sari is going to come like this. Lower half you are going to get this beautiful temple design work with hand katha stitch. This beautiful work, this temple work in the lower half. This is the pallu, and now we are going to show you the beautiful blouse piece. This is the beautiful blouse piece again with a hand katha stitch work which you are going to get in the sleeves. Price 6,200, free shipping, COD is available but COD is chargeable. Again moving to the same combination but with a different design now. Again a same combination of white and black, but the design is different. The design of the sari is different. The pattern is going in the same way, but the design of the sari is a bit different. The work which is done in it has a difference in it. This is a beautiful floral work. A beautiful small flower is made in this sari. This is the full look. Let me come closer to show you the look again. This is the lower half. This is the lower half of the sari. We are going to get this beautiful temple type handwork katha stitch. And this would be your upper half with this beautiful flower motifs. This beautiful work. Moving back to show you the full look of the sari. This is the pallu. This is the beautiful pallu. A black color pallu with a beautiful thread work of a skin color thread is going through and white color. This is the full pallu look. Now I am semi-draping it to show you the full look of the sari. This is the semi-draped look. This is the semi-draped look. The sari coming like this. If you are going to get this beautiful pleats in the sari, where you are going to get the lower half with this beautiful temple type weave, and this would be your pallu. Now moving to the blouse piece of the pallu. Again a beautiful contrast blouse piece with this hand stitch katha work in it. You are going to get this hand stitch katha work in your sleeves. Price, as I said, is 6,200, free shipping. COD is available but COD is chargeable. Anyone liking any saris can take a screenshot and send us to the given numbers going through the video. Moving to the last one. Today's collection's last sari. Combination of beautiful orange and cream. A beautiful cream color sari with a combination of orange. As you can see, the beautiful base is of cream color and the wax created in it is in the color of orange. A beautiful orange. Coming closer to show you the beautiful work. This would be your upper half of the sari, where you are going to get in the work of the katha in the borders, and this is going to be your lower half, where you are going to get the work of the katha in the border. A beautiful temple type design done in with beautiful hand katha stitch work. Now moving back to show you the beautiful full look of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari in the color of orange, and the thread work done in it coloring of white and black. This is the full pallu look. Now let me semi-drape the sari to show you the full look of the sari. Here comes the semi-draped look. This is the semi-draped look of the sari. You are going to get this beautiful temple design in this lower half of the sari. All through the sari is going through like this. And this is your beautiful pallu. Now you are going to move to the blouse piece. A beautiful contrast blouse piece, again with a beautiful temple weaved katha, temple design katha work done in it, which you are going to get in your sleeves. Now today we are going to end our video with this set of collection. Anyone liking any of the sari can just take a screenshot and send us to the given number going through the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Like and comment how you're liking your sarees, what more you are expecting from us, what more you want to see. You can also go to our previous videos we have done. We are going to we can provide you, actually we can provide you all the sarees which we have shown in the videos. We are manufacturers, so we would not have any problem. Whichever you like, it's not going to finish in our stocks. Anyone sarees, any one which you like, you can just ping us any of the number to get connected. And for more informations, you can also ping us, call us. Today we are going to end our video. Thank you. Stay safe.